I rejected a 56 LPA job at the age of 25, almost 100% hike from my previous job. बट इस जॉब को मैंने उसी बिलीफ सिस्टम और उसी इंस्टिंक्ट के बेसिस पे ना बोला जिस बिलीफ सिस्टम और जिस इंस्टिंक्ट ने मेरा करियर बनाया था और मुझे इस जॉब तक लेकर आए. A lot of people always ask me how do we build a successful corporate career at a young age. And for the long time I was not having a defined answer because मेरे खुद की सक्सेस भी किसी कोर टेक्निकल स्किल से नहीं आई थी. It came from the belief system that I was living unknowingly. As they say, there is an incremental compound on everything or any experience happening in your life. It happened for me. I never started from a corporate job. I started from my own YouTube channel. एक चैनल से शुरू किया, वो हिट हुआ. We hired a team, multiple channels हो गए, and by the age of 20, I was almost doing 2 to 3 lakhs a month. But we were daily playing with the loopholes, and there was the uncertainty. Over the time, policy strict होती गई. We took a decision or two wrong, and उसके बाद एक गलत sponsorship, and that system crashed overnight. So that business was over. I decided to move to corporate. When I decided to join corporate, the best thing happened. I didn't join a big corporate. मैंने एक कंपनी ज्वाइन करी जहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर मिसिंग था. And my job was to build that structure. And that is where unknowingly leadership आने लगी. My second job, my third job, I kept switching. But मेरा एक चीज बहुत कॉमन था. That was I never went into a strong corporate structure. मैं हमेशा broken systems में जाता रहा और क्योस को ठीक करने की कोशिश करता रहा. And chaos teaches you more and faster than systems and structures. इसी chaos को ठीक करते करते that was where the leadership began. Not from the designations but from the accountability and building structures. At the age of 24, I landed a 24 LPO job. The same 2-3 lakh I was doing 4 years back, but this time there was certainty. But 6-7 months later, it started feeling like survival. Daily वही ops, वही structures, वही reportings और वही decisions. It felt monotonous. This time there was certainty, but I quickly realized this seductive certainty is killing curiosity. 6-7 months into the job, मुझे फिर लगने लगा I'm not for the survival. I'm not the guy जो हफ्ते में 5-6 दिन खुशी से जॉब कर ले and then weekends पे पैसा उड़ा ले and then he she keep coming back to the same loop. I realized this is not me. I realized I'm not for the survival and certainty. I decided to leave that job. And उसी जॉब को छोड़ते वक्त मैंने एक LinkedIn पोस्ट भी डाली. Higher salaries and designation at an early age can make you feel successful and happy for a shorter time. But sooner or later, your inner fire eventually finds a way to remind you who you are and what you truly aim for. एक बारी फिर जॉब छोड़ी, but इस बार इस फैसले के साथ छोड़ी कि now I'll not be doing corporate anymore. Few weeks later, एक अच्छा corporate का ऑफर आता है. I kept ignoring them and discussions बढ़ती 50 LPA भी क्रॉस कर गई. But my risk-taking belief system and instinct was too strong this time. I know this certainty and survival is not for me. मैंने वहाँ भी clearly कहा कि when there will be a ownership role to lead or build the department or a separate vertical, I'll be in. But it's not about the money. It's about the belief system जिसमें अब clarity भी आ गई है. Now I have the clarity कि my belief system is not for the survival and daily ops. मैंने उसी ऑफर को ना बोली जो शायद बहुत बड़ा करियर ड्रीम था. एंड दिस इज व्हाई देयर इज अ सेइंग, क्लैरिटी इन लाइफ इजंट ऑलवेज पीसफुल, इट्स पेनफुली लाउड. ये सारी कहानी सुनाने का रीजन ये था कि ऑब्वियसली देयर आर सम स्किल्स जो मैं एंड में समझाऊंगा, बट देयर आर न्यूएंसेस टू दैट स्किल. और वो न्यूएंसेस ही समझ के यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट और एग्जीक्यूट दैट स्किल्स दैट कैन मेक योर कॉर्पोरेट करियर और इवन योर पर्सनल और बिजनेस करियर अहेड. द रियलिटी इज मोस्ट पीपल डोंट हेट देयर जॉब्स, दे हेट कि जॉब उन्हें जो बना रही है. देयर इज अ प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी इन द कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रक्चर्स और वही प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी इंस्टिंक्ट्स और डिसीजन मेकिंग को किल कर. व्हेन आई लुक बैक इनटू माय करियर और अब जब वो मुझे आंसर 1-2 लाइंस में मिलता है तो आई नो डिसीजन मेकिंग, अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड रिस्क टेकिंग वर द स्किल्स जिन्होंने मेरा कॉर्पोरेट करियर सक्सेसफुल बनाया. एंड ये कहानी भी उसी डिसीजन मेकिंग, रिस्क टेकिंग और अकाउंटेबिलिटी की थी जो ओवर द टाइम अननोइंगली, नेचुरली मेरे रोल्स की वजह से डेवलप होती. But what I learned is decision making is the toughest job that exists on the planet. जब मैं decision making की बात करता हूँ ना तो most people around me say क्या हाँ ले लेंगे decision, accountable भी हो जाएंगे, इतनी क्या बड़ी बात है. But the reality is कि जब किसी बंदे को खुद के लिए भी फैसला लेना होता है ना, either even it is a small decision like doing this job या ये कपड़े पहनूं या ये चीज खरीदूं या नहीं. They take opinions, and most of the time they take these opinions not for the advice but for their brain to avoid guilt and say उसने भी तो यही एडवाइस दी थी. नॉट उन्हें पब्लिकली लाउड कहना है, बट शायद वो चीज ये अपने खुद के ब्रेन को ही कह रहे होते हैं कि उसकी एडवाइस भी तो यही थी. Humans do this to avoid guilt and pressure, as our brain is basically designed to offload responsibility, and responsibility also accountability. The thing is, जब डिसीजन खुद के लिए लेना होता है हम तो तब अकाउंटेबल नहीं खड़े हो पाते. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन दिस कम्स टू टेकिंग अ डिसीजन फॉर 50 to 100 people. एंड वो डिसीजन जहाँ पे 50 से 100 बंदे सब आपके कहने में भी नहीं है. सम ऑफ योर ओन टीम मेंबर्स मे इवन ट्राई टू मेक योर डिसीजन अ बैड डिसीजन, but even then you stand accountable for other humans, you stand accountable for the execution of other humans, and you stand accountable that this was the decision I took. This is the core of decision making, and decision making is the toughest job in this planet. No tools, no AI will ever be able to replace it. Going in future, obviously tools are making easier to take decisions, analytics are making easier to take decisions, but taking decisions and standing accountable is a very, very human thing. You take a decision, you back it, you do execution with full force, you try to convince people. If it goes good, it's a team sport. If it goes bad, it was a bad decision. True decision making starts when you are okay being a villain for a short time also. So when now I look back now, I know these things came naturally or unknowingly to me, and I started learning and developing on them. मुझे realization तो हो गया था कि these are the skills that gonna take my career to the next level, but unknowingly ये चीजें naturally भी आ रही थी. And this is now when someone asks me, I can define in 3 steps that decision making, accountability, leadership are the skills that gonna take you the next level. But the thing is, ये story सुनाने के पीछे भी एक reason था. These 3 words will not take you to a different level unless and until you understand the nuances or nudges behind it. For me, obviously I understood at a very early stage that these are the skills that are gonna build my career. But also unknowingly, these came to me. If you are lucky, you are in a young corporate और कहीं पर हो जहाँ पर आपके पास decision making और systems बनाने की power है, even being at a lower designation, execute them and stand accountable them. This is where you will be learning from the chaos. सही भी जाएंगे, गलत भी जाएंगे, but you will learn from the chaos. And ये nuances और ये nudges, वो chaos और वो खुद की practices ही सिखाएंगे. This is something no one can teach you in a single life. Because decision making, learning, accountability aren't the skills that you learn in a course. These are the muscle memories that you build through chaos. Thank you for your time. This was it. Do let me know your thoughts. What do you believe is the hardest job on this planet? Do share that in comment section. For me, it was always the decision making. That's why I say CEOs and managers will always be paid the highest. What job do you think is the most toughest job on this planet? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.